April 17th, 2020. And the forecast says it's gonna snow half a foot tonight. And we don't have any wood. So I'm gonna walk down. I'm gonna go try to get some firewood. I gotta get this out the way to get the backhoe out. 09 Magnatrac 7000 cold start. Oh, it's a tight squeeze getting out. Darn it, I forgot the bucket of gear. Driving that thing is so fun. Forget about everything, it's just so slow. I'm not driving all the way back here for a bucket of gear. Gloves and chain. This looks like a good place for that. Yeah, a little pickup truck. Uppity, uppity, and away we go. After those two guys, and then it rolled and it fell over there, so now it's stuck there. These ones are smaller. Look at all these cool holes in it. What do they signify? Does that mean it has bugs and we can't be using it for firewood? What does that mean? They're full of beetles. The holes are fairly deep. Oh yeah, they're really deep. Am I just gonna find something gross when I start sawing into it? And I'm gonna throw it around the log and then throw it around the backhoe, and here comes some big truck. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now that guy knows how to move logs. Man, the damn thing fell, and there's probably something living under this. Jesus. Bite me or fucking something. Choke it there. I don't know. I mean, for how much Andrew Camerata I watch, you'd think I know where I should pinch this. Should it go here? Around that? Obviously, I want to just avoid the cylinder. Should it go around that? That seems like a good place to put something right there. I guess I'll just see how this feels first. Yeah. Let's see how it feels. Okay, it worked kind of well. Yeah, I tore up the driveway a little over there, but not so, you know, it could always be worse. This seems like an alright. Alright, I tightened up the chain. I'm starting to suspect this wood is rotten and it's like spruce, softwood, shitty firewood anyway. But we are going to climb the mountain because that's what we're doing right now. You know what else would have been prudent? Sawing off these stubs and these knobs before dragging it across my beautiful crappy driveway. Huh. Maybe I'll go get the saw and I'll do that. Alright, up the hill, I'm walking. Alright, is it gonna work today? You never fucking know. Yeah, either it goes on the second pull or it just doesn't go at all. Lord. So we got 2 of them. Let's chop them up and split them with an axe. Alright, I'm giving up on this and calling these chairs. This wood's all wet and not so good. But whatever, I just wanted to drag something with the tractor. And that was fun. There's some wood over here. It's wet, but I'll get the firebox. Getting hot enough that we could just throw this in and it'll be alright. Nice.